special privilege. We are simply asking for equality, for dignity, for safety, for opportunity, for a seat at the table. And for a world where every woman and every girl can live with freedom, purpose, and hope. Today, Zonta International gives us a clear direction toward 2030. The 2026-2028 biennial goals call upon us to strengthen our voice and our action in four critical areas: education equality, climate justice, ending violence against women and girls, and ensuring women's representation in decision-making. These are global goals, but for us, they become local commitments. Because the work of Zonta does not happen somewhere far away. It happens here. It happens in the classrooms of Isabela, in our homes and communities, in our workplaces, in our farms and enterprises, in our local government halls. And in partnership with men, civil society organizations, the academe, and our local government units, like the provincial government of Isabela and the office of the Vice Governor of Isabela. Because gender equality is not a women's issue alone. It is a community responsibility. It is a shared mission where men are not bystanders but allies. Nakikinig ba yung mga nasa likod ng mga Zonta Joe? Noon pong convention sa Canada, ang isang speaker namin Humberto Carolo. Makinig po yung mga nasa likod. According to him, he said that men are not here to support women, but to take responsibility. Siya po yung executive director ng White Ribbon Canada. It is a global movement to end gender-based violence and discrimination by engaging men and boys as allies. Standing with us in dismantling harmful norms, promoting respect, and raising a generation of boys